Hello dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss some examples of coordination compounds. Means we are going to write names of coordination compound. Let us write some example. Let us write the name of this compound. I basic name of this compound. I have taken example from your book. That is exercise part, question number 9.7. So we have to write the name of this compound. Let us see how to write the name of compounds. This is coordination compound. You might be remembering. Here we will write the name. I would like to summarize one more time how to write the name of coordination compound. So in that I have told you that we will write the name of positive portion first. Means in this positive portion is this. So we will write name of positive portion. Next we will see in positive portion, that is coordination entity. Okay. So in that we will see here one question may be confusing you. What is difference between coordination entity and coordination sphere? So that I will clear later. Here we will write the name. Okay. Many students are confused about the coordination entity and coordination sphere. Both looks similar. Okay. Let us see here. So first portion is that we will write the name of positive portion. So positive portion is coordination sphere. Okay. So let us write the name. So first compound is this. Let us write name. So this ligand is there. How many ligands are there? There are 6 ligands. How many are there? There are 6 ligands. So we will start writing the name from ligands. So how many ligands are there? Ligands 6. So for that we will write hexaamine. For this we will write 6 hexaamine. Hexaamine cobalt, hexaamine cobalt, means hexaamine is positive portion. So for positive portion we write the general name of nature. Okay. So hexaamine cobalt. What will be the oxidation state? Oxidation state of cobalt is 3. We will write coordination sphere. Sorry, we will write oxidation state in bracket. Hexaamine cobalt. Third, chloride. What is the name of this compound? Hexaamine cobalt third chloride. Next, let us move to next. Here, in this positive portion is this. Positive portion is this. Okay. So in this we will write name. Here we will write name. This portion first because this is positive portion. So there are many ligands here. So we will follow alphabetical order. We will follow alphabetical order. According to that we will write name. Okay, let us see here. So how many? 1, 2 and 3. 3 ligands are there. Okay, let us see here. So alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? Here. In alphabetical order you will see here. So amine, then chloro, and then methylamine. We will follow this order. So let us see here what will be the name of this quaternary compound. So let us begin. Diamine chloro then methylamine. We will write methylamine. We will write in brackets methylamine. Then here we will write oxidation state. So this is neutral, that is also neutral. Okay. So oxidation state of platinum is 2 here. Oxidation of platinum is 2. So we will write name of central metal atom. We will write name of this orders that first we will write the name of ligand, then central metal atom. Okay. So in central metal atom we will write name here platinum. Then oxidation state is second. Oxidation state may be vary, and then chloride. So what is the name of this quaternary compound? Diamine chloro. Then in bracket here we will write methylamine platinum second chloride. Okay, states. So we have written name. Let us see next compound number 3rd, example number 3rd. Let us move to the what is the, so let us write how many are there. 6. So we will write hexa, what? Hexa, and for this we will write aqua. Hexa, aqua, titanium, hexa, aqua, titanium. Third, this is the name of compound. We can write iron also, no problem. If you want, we can write iron. Okay, so here like this we can write hexa, aqua, titanium, and iron. Next is fourth one. So let us see fourth one. So let us see here this one, fourth example. Okay. So what is fourth example? This is CuNH3 whole 4 CuCl NO2 and Cl. So let us write the name of this compound. So what will be name of this compound? There are 3 types of ligands. Okay. And positive portion is this. We will write its starting name. But in this first we will write the name of ligands. So what is that? There are 4 alphabetical order A, C and N. So we will take this first. We will take this first. So what is tetra? Tetraamine. Chloro, then nitro, here. So nitro is embedded ligand. So by which atom it is bonded, we have to show. So here it is written like this. It means it is bonded to central metal atom by N. So in bracket you will write N. Okay. And then here oxidation state or central metal atom. Now name of ligand over. Then we will write the name of central metal atom. So central metal atom is cobalt. So we will write cobalt. Cobalt and then oxidation state. Cobalt, then oxidation state is second. Cobalt oxidation state is second. Here, oxidation state of cobalt is third here. Third, then chloride. Cobalt, third, chloride. Okay. Next is here. Let us see next. That is 6. So we will write hexa, aqua. For this we will use aqua. Hexa, aqua. Then oxidation state. Sorry. Then metal manganese. Manganese. Second. Manganese second. Okay. Next. Here 6 1 we can see 6 1 NiCl4 2 minus. So what will be tetra chloro, both we can write chloro or chloride, both are tetra chloro or chloride. I am writing here an I2. So I have already told if negative ligand is there, that ends with O. Here chloride is there, so we will write chloride or chloro, both together. Tetra chlorido nickelate. Nickel is there, so we will use nickelate. Second, nickelate second. Here next is like this. 7th one. So hexa, Ni compound is Ni, NH3 whole 6 Cl2. So coordination is here. It is positive also. So number is 6. We have written hexa for 6. Then amine is there. So we write hexaamine. Hexaamine, nickelate, nickel, nickelate, oxidation state is 2 in bracket, then chloride. One thing you remember, that time I also told, if ligands are out of coordination sphere, so their normal name is written. Their normal name is written. We will not write number like this here. Hexa, like this we can see here, Cl2 is here, but we will write chloride, normal name. Nothing is being added in their name. Okay. Next and last is what is here? Last 8th one. So you know diet and date it is. So for diet and taste we will write, and for diet and taste we use the special word bis, tris, tetragus, etc. So here what we will do, there are three, so it is three, then we will use tris. What is tris? Tris in bracket ethane diamine, ethane ethane diamine. We will close trace ethane diamine, nickel third. Nickel third. So what we have seen here, we have written name of some compounds. We have written name of some coordination compound. You can write the name and write. Some more examples you take from your book and write. If any confusion is there, you can contact to me and my number. You may get my number to class teacher. Okay. So I have given some example. I have wrote some example. So writing the name of coordination compound is being completed here. Okay, if some more confusion is there, if you are writing some doubts are there, so you can comment, you can ask the questions. Okay students, so thank you so much for completing this. Next question we will start next. Okay, thank you so much.